Hi and welcome back. As you can see, our topic question tag, what we are going to see now is I'm going to talk about the difference between the when you have affirmative and negative and affirmative and affirmative. What does this mean? Let's get started. So they heard us, didn't they? They heard us, didn't they? They heard us is affirmative. It is affirmative. But didn't they is negative. It is negative because you see it has not. Didn't, the not is what makes it negative. And you see they heard us, you don't have not. So you say it is affirmative. So the not is what makes it negative. They did not hear us. Did they? They did not hear us. Did they? Now, they did not hear us is negative. You can see it has not. But did they is affirmative. It is affirmative. You see there is no not there. Again, they heard us. Did they? Did they? We say they heard us is affirmative. And did they too is affirmative. Because you see they heard us doesn't have not. Did they too does not have not. So what is the difference here that we've got? Let's have examples, then I explain. Now, like, hey, he is the one, isn't he? He is the one, isn't he? When we use this form, which I think is the one you are used to, what you are saying is, he is the one, isn't he? What I'm saying, what my thinking of saying that he is the one is true. So my thinking of saying he is the one is true. That is what you are saying. But now using the affirmative and affirmative, he is the one. Is he? He is the one. Is he? Now what you are saying is, you don't know if it is yes that he is the one, or it is not. That is, he is the one. Is he? So you don't know, is it yes that he is the one, or is it no, or is it not? I hope you are not confused. He is the one, isn't he? That is the first one. What you are trying to say is what? Your thinking is true that he is the one. But the second one, he is the one. Is he? What you are saying is, you don't know if he is the one or he isn't. I hope you are not confused, and I hope you now know the difference between them. Let me repeat. He is the one, isn't he? So you are saying that you think that what you say is true, that he is the one. But he is the one, is he? That is the affirmative and affirmative. You are saying that you do not know if you don't know if he is the one or he isn't. So when in a case like that, you use he is the one, is he? That is, you use affirmative and affirmative. Now see, she is resting, isn't she? So your thinking is that yes, it's true, she is resting. But if you do not know if she is resting or not resting, you use she is resting. Is she? Is she? So you see affirmative and affirmative. We are waiting, aren't we? So with the affirmative and affirmative, we are waiting. Are we? They are here, aren't they? So your thinking is, it's true that they are here, but you don't know they are here or not. Is it yes that they are here, or it isn't? You use they are here, aren't they? They are here, are they? So the first one, they are here, aren't they? That is affirmative and negative. But they are here, are they? Affirmative and affirmative. So you know what that means. You say, he was the one, wasn't he? That is affirmative and negative. He was the one, was he? That is what? Affirmative and affirmative. She was resting. That here is the past formula I'm using. She was resting, wasn't she? She was resting. Was she? That is affirmative and affirmative. We were waiting, weren't we? Affirmative and negative. We were waiting, were we? That is what? Affirmative and affirmative. They were here, weren't they? And affirmative, we say they were here, were they? So it's very simple, right? It's only the meaning that you should know, because you are used to the sounds now. I believe. He is the one, isn't he? She is resting, isn't she? We are waiting, aren't we? They are here, aren't they? He was the one, wasn't he? She was resting, wasn't she? We were waiting, weren't we? They were here, weren't they? Now you have he is the one, is he? She is resting, is she? We are waiting, are we? Are we? They are here, are they? So you see, you know what the difference is. Let's have more examples. You do your homework, don't you? Affirmative and negative. You do your homework, do you? She does the work, doesn't she? She does the work, does she? I did it, didn't I? I did it, did I? He has done it, hasn't he? He has done it, has he? It's not difficult, right? And you see, here we say, we have done it, haven't we? Affirmative and negative. We have done it, have we? They had done it, hadn't they? They had done it, had they? She will come, won't she? Won't she? She will come, will she? The people saw me, didn't they? And the people saw me, did they? In the last examples, they heard us, didn't they? They heard us, did they? You helped your children, didn't you? The last, so affirmative and affirmative. You help your children, did you? So what you do with question tags is you get used to the sounds. She is back, isn't she? You are the one, aren't you? I am late, aren't I? I am a teacher, aren't I? We have done it, haven't we? It is happening, isn't it? It is raining, is it? It is raining, isn't it? We are playing, aren't we? It is happening, isn't it? You are right, aren't you? We are working, aren't we? This is true, isn't it? We have finished the work. We have finished the work, haven't we? That is what you do to question tags, and then you just get used to it. So now I believe you know the difference between they had us, didn't they, and they had us, did they. You helped your children, didn't you? You helped your children, did you? I hope that was very useful, and I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time.